Peter Obi is not a true Igbo man. He does not have the spirit of a true Igbo man in him. He does not have the spirit of Ndigbo in him. He is not a leader, says Yul Edochie, the son of Peter Obi. This is what Yul Edochie posted on his Twitter page. Listen, he said, Peter Obi is not a true Igbo man. He does not have the spirit of Ndigbo in him. He is not a leader. The true spirit of Ndigbo is Onye Gana Waneya. As you rise, you lift others. How can you spend many years in power, many years as a successful businessman, yet nobody can say he's successful today because of you? You can't even lift your family members. In Nollywood, there are people who will tell you they are successful today because of Yul Edochie. Not one person can say that about Peter Obi. Are you a sadist? What are you doing with the power God has given you? If you can't lift people around you out of poverty, you can't simply lift Nigeria out of poverty. The reason why he said that Peter Obi is a bad person is simply because he said that Peter Obi does not give people money. He is not saying that Peter Obi is killing people. He is not saying that Peter Obi stole money. He know they talk all those things. At least, if you want to speak against person where they aspire to occupy a political position, now corruption charges you go to use, they speak against that person. Just like Okowa, they won't go back to the Senate. And we are saying that we don't want him to go back to the Senate because the EFCC accused him of stealing 1.3 trillion naira. Adam Soshomole accused him of stealing 330 billion naira. Okowa mapped out land from Okwane land, saying that he will use that land to build an industrial park for Okwane people. After mapping out that land, Okowa did not build that industrial park up till date. Today, that land is now government property. What he said that he will build there, he did not build it. Okowa promised to give Okwane people light till he completed his 4 years as the senator representing Delta North. He completed 8 years of being the governor of Delta State, yet he did not give Okwane people light. All these things are what we are using to speak against Okowa, saying that we don't want him to go back to the Senate. Instead of Yul Edochie to be bringing out anything he feels that Peter Obi did wrong during his government to fight Peter Obi, instead he is saying that Peter Obi is not giving people money. If to say Peter Obi don't steal the money of Anambra State when he be the governor of Anambra State, then use it and speak against him. Tell Nigerians that Peter Obi steal money, oh, he's not worthy to be the president of Nigeria. If to say Peter Obi, they kill people, he they defraud people, he steal money, he do this, he do that, use it against him. Why are you saying that he is not worthy to be the president of Nigeria, that he's a bad person because he's not giving people money? If you are working with Ifeanyi Okowa, you no go dey hungry. All the people where they heard different words for Okowa for this Anyoma land, Okowa they do them well. Okowa don't give some of them motto. Money not be issue. Data money not be issue. Okowa is making sure that the people that are working with him are fine. If na money, Okowa they give them money, they do them well because they are working with him. So, because of say Okowa they do people when they work with them well, is that a reason for me to give up on Anyoma state creation that Okowa is not supporting, just to be working with Okowa so that I will be getting money from him? Fear, I can never do such a thing. Even as Okowa take they do people when they work with them well, did Okowa rule Anyoma people well? No. Okowa they give people when they work with them money, they do okay, they get motor. Yet Okowa not give Okwane people light. For more than 20 years, Okwane people not get light. Ukwane people cannot tell you, this is the good thing that Okowa did for we Ukwane people. Ika people are there complaining. Oshimiri and Anacha people are complaining. The incompetency of Okowa is the reason why we and Nyoma people are saying no, that Okowa will never go back to the Senate. Now the sins of Okowa will take the fight Okowa. But Yul Edochie, no they use any sin at all to speak against him own brother Peter Obi. Instead, he dey talk say Peter Obi no dey share money. What have Yul Edochie contributed to Igbo nation? See say na all those stupid things where they act. Now you dey feel say you dey do Igbo nation any good. If they come for Nollywood, they go talk say Yul Edochie change the lives of one or two people. Make wetin happen. What are you acting? All those stupid things where they act will not get direction. What will Igbo people say that they are learning from the film of Yul Edochie? Okay. Yul Edochie cannot support good leadership because of money. Now person where they give you money, you dey support. Peter Obi not they give you money, now why you dey against them? Us why? Support what is right, not because they are giving you money. Just imagine waiting, mature man they talk, coming out to say that Peter Obi is an evil person, Peter Obi not good, Peter Obi bad, Peter Obi this, Peter Obi that, because of saying they share money. So if Peter Obi start to they give you money now, you go start to the support them because of saying they give you money. Just look at how he is bringing down his fellow Igbo man. If you are not an Igbo person and you want to bring down an Igbo person, look for those set of Igbo people that are rich that don't have sense. We have wealthy Igbo billionaires and millionaires that are fools. They don't get sense. If you want to bring down an illustrious Igbo son, use those set of Igbo people that are wealthy that don't have sense. Just go and meet them and offer them money. And their stupidity will manifest. You go see, these people go start to do wonders. If you want to bring down an Igbo man, use an Igbo man. Fulani man cannot bring down an Igbo man. A Yoruba man cannot bring down an Igbo man. Nobody can bring down an Igbo man. You can only achieve it through another Igbo person. Use another Igbo person to bring down an Igbo person. How many wealthy Igbo men are in support of Peter Obi, their own brother? If to say Peter Obi na Yoruba man, every Yoruba people will support him. Peter Obi is Igbo. How many wealthy Igbo men are in support of Peter Obi, their own brother? They are supporting the opposition because they want to protect their business. They don't say if opposition win, then their businesses will be brought down because they did not support the opposition. So many of them get businesses in Lagos. If they don't support the opposition go just come talk say that place where their business dey na government property. Say the government of Lagos State wants to collect that place, they go carry bulldoze everything down. Who are the people campaigning for Tinubu and opposition? Is those people from Igbo land that call themselves wealthy Igbo men. Money na water. How do I rate wealthy people? Now people wey get common sense and they call wealthy people. If you like, get Rolls Royce, get private jet, get helicopter, get money full everywhere. If you don't get sense, to me you are poor. In Igbo land, we just get people wey get Rolls Royce, they call themselves money na water. All those people are poor people. Because even the money that they have cannot defend Igbo nation. The money that they have cannot protect Igbo nation. Their brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey for prison. Yet their money cannot speak up for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Poor people everywhere. Don't look at this idiot Yul Edochie. They online they talk rubbish, bringing down his own Igbo brother. If you want to bring down an Igbo man, look for a wealthy Igbo person that is a fool, and you will see him do the job. Peter Obi not give you money. Now why they speak against Peter Obi? The way Yul Edochie is speaking against Peter Obi, like say Peter Obi do a many bad thing. Look at how he is speaking against his Igbo brother. Ego, Peter Edochie kakisi mozwaya. Ego. Charlie Boy said that when he was sick, that he was hospitalized. He said that Peter Obi visited him in the hospital. that he thought that Peter Obi will give him money. But when Peter Obi came to visit him, Peter Obi came with 2 Ghana must go. And he said that when those 2 bags was opened, that what he saw inside is kola nut and garden egg. Charlie Boy is saying this thing in an interview. He said that even after Peter Obi brought that into him, that he is still in support of Peter Obi. Charlie Boy said that it's kola and garden egg that is in that bag. No be kola and garden egg in that bag. He's just trying to sound funny. Now, food stuff and other things na dey inside that bag where Peter Obi carry come give am. Peter Obi not give am money, yet he appreciates it. The reason why Nigeria is backward is because so many Nigerians are expecting politicians to share money to them before they can vote for a politician. We dey get problem for Igbo land today because some idiots wey get money, na them dey make decision for their community. Come for families. Person wey be say he get sense but he no get money, him talk na rubbish. If you talk, other family members go return and say, shut up your mouth, you too get sense, you poor. Then they go dey wait for that one wey not get sense, wey get money, where they for Lagos. They go dey wait whenever he come from Lagos. Anything where he talk, na him they go take work. Person wey not get sense, so just because he gets money, everything where he talk makes sense. Money misroad everywhere. They have money, but they don't have sense. They have money, yet they don't know the right thing to do. A stupid person can also be a billionaire. The only thing that billionaire know how to do is he only knows how to make money, but he don't get common sense. The enemies of Ndigbo don't study this thing. No, say if you want to bring down an Igbo person, use an Igbo person that is very influential, because influential people that they get fans and followers. If they speak against that their Igbo brother to bring them down, other of their fans and followers will be Igbo people to go they support them to bring down their Igbo brother. Don't use the money in someone bank account to rate that person as a wealthy person. Use common sense to know people that are wealthy. Sense is wealth. If person gets sense, to mean a wealthy person. If Peter Obi, the father of Yul Edochie, see this comment when Pikin make, he not go talk anything though. He go just say, onye nenwe, I don't born you beside I don't born you. If you want to go into the world to useless yourself, now you sabi. I'm not going to tell you what to post online and what not to post. I don't know why. If great men get like 10 children, one go be mumu inside. I don't know why this thing they come off everywhere. Great man go born pikin, others go be great people, one go be mumu. He said that Peter Obi cannot move Nigeria out from poverty because of say Peter Obi not they give people money. If I'm Yoko where be say he they give people money, he not fit move Okwane people out from poverty. He not fit move Anyama people out from poverty. He not fit give we Anyama people infrastructure. Go Anambra State today. Peter Obi did a lot for Anambra State. Anambra State dey like that today. Now Peter Obi. If to say Peter Obi don't become the president of Nigeria, and for him first tenure, he not provide security for Nigerians. Nigerians are suffering. Nigerians are complaining. This, that, say suffer too much. If they use that one, they speak against them. It go make sense. If you go UK, they're not they share money they give people for those people to vote for them. If you go to China, they don't share money to people for people to vote for them. But for Nigeria, now waiting they happen on a daily basis. They go they share rice they give Nigerians for Nigerians to vote. You don't know say that rice where they share give you. Now in exchange of waiting you go experience when they occupy power. You go chop that rice forever? No. Politician will be say, you know they share money give us, but if you enter that place, you go do the work where we said that make you go do. Now that politician we want. We don't want politician that will be giving us money. Don't give me fish to eat. Teach me how to catch fish. If Peter Obi become the president of Nigeria, make e dey pay teachers, make e dey pay doctors, make money dey circulate. People wey dey work, make dem dey collect their money, make dem dey collect their pay. Let there be security in the country. Let the country be stable. That is what we want. We don't want President Obi say you go dey share money they give some certain people, whereas the rest of the country is hungry. Yul Edochie, you don't have sense. Ishiewale.